Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Ryan Linneman. I got 6 3015s on 3 AAK 6Ks. All death mount. And it's a negative ratio 6-quarter.
And you really built into the vehicle.
It's maxed out.
Wow.
It's maxed out. It's 615s and it's
and your amps, everything's here. There's nothing behind the back.
Nothing in the back.
Wow.
Because I want to do all that.
And you've got the 6th order for the port in the back. What's your tuning ratio on it?
It's tuned like 24.
24. Oh, you're low frequencies.
But it doesn't have a logo wall or anything. So
Doesn't.
it's
Okay.
kind of a funky box.
Yeah.
But
Very nice. Negative ratio.
it's like 18 cubes on the bottom, 12 on the top.
Okay. Wow. I remember meeting you a few years ago when you had 2 15s, then you had 3 18s.
The 215s blew up. It's like.
Oh, and then it was 2 18s. Yeah.
No, well, I had 215s. Yeah, then 218s.
Yep.
And 318s.
Yep. You got some experience, man.
I've been doing it a while.
Looks good.
I'm getting old.
Have you done any kind of SPL tests to know what you do, or you just demo monster? Awesome. Thank you very much, Ryan. Nice to meet you, man. Very nice. That looks good. Have you ever tried, I know this is a random question, have you ever thought of mounting regular versus inverted just to see the difference? Or?
I thought about it, but it's kind of small now because they're only 3 cubes a piece.
Okay.
So if I invert them with 6 subs, I'm going to lose a cube and a half.
Yeah.
And I don't know if they're going to like it or not. But I might mess with it a little bit.
Yeah.
I thought about just flipping maybe the first 3 or something. Just see what happens.
Yeah. Awesome. Hey, thanks, Ryan, man.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm getting a picture.
Yeah, let me get a picture real quick, if that's okay.
It sounds awesome.
Thank you.
Really good.
Feels good too.
And he's got some space the way he built it. It's like center B to C pillar in the middle, not right on the flat line. There's a good picture for you, Jess. Let me know when you're done. Thanks, Ryan. I had to get a picture.
Yeah, I always appreciate the videos, man.
Yeah, man.
Keep it up.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. I had to get some video.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Ryan system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. That was the pick of the actual sub. They're rated at 2,400 watts RMS. He's definitely given all the power to him and then some with a really efficient box. Like the layout of the box and to be able to actually have all of your amplifier and battery power right there in front of the box in your cabin. So a really extreme style system he did to build into the vehicle like this. And if you didn't notice in the video earlier, there is a back port there. Kind of hard to get the camera all the way back there, but he built into this vehicle to optimize the amount of space to fit 6 15-inch subs in a Blazer. So shout out to you. Did a good job, Ryan. And having all the subs inverted helped best with cooling, optimal amount of cubic space as well. And if you notice, he actually built chamfers on the side of the box to get the most amount of space. So not just sliding a box into the vehicle, but building inside is a huge fabrication skill set to get to. So this makes a total of 18,000 watts on 6 15-inch subs in a negative ratio 6th order enclosure. We're getting to a 5-minute bass system demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos and enjoy the demo.
Keeps a hand on the gun. Can't trust him. I'm so sure, but I need it. That's
That's really good. Yeah, dude. And your bandwidth is killer. You play like 62 hertz and still playing in the mid-teens. Wow, nice job. Have you done any kind of SPL tests to know what you do, or are you just a demo monster? Awesome. Thank you very much, Ryan. Nice to meet you, man. Very nice. Awesome. Hey, thanks, Ryan, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate the demo. Looks good. Really music.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.